So I figured I'd just film, something really fast. I've not even done my hair today, guys, so don't pick on me. But this might be the last time we see the Magna, this little box of parts. And the last couple old brake levers in it. So I have a guy coming to pick it up today. So the Magna's been a really great part of the channel. It's been a really great bike for me. So I hope to the next owner that it's a great bike for you. So if you ever see this, you get to see all the shenanigans I've done on the channel for the bike. So, yeah, she was my first motorcycle. I learned a lot working on it. And I'm not going to disclose the price I actually sold it for. That's just between the guy and me. But yeah. I mean, technically, I haven't even sold it yet. As you see, it's still here. He's just on his way. So I figured I better film this now, because I doubt he wants to be on camera. So I'm probably not even going to ask him. So we've kind of done our wheeling and dealing a little bit already. So hopefully he really enjoys the Magna. I hope it's a great bike for him for a long time. So I just wanted to give you guys one last look before it leaves the garage. So thanks, everybody. So I know this was a big part of the channel for a long time, so don't be alarmed. These are just making moves is the idea here. So this is not an end to the motorcycle content. This is not necessarily an end to even old motorcycle content. Maybe for the time being, as I look for other things, my interests have changed a little bit, not from motorcycling, but in motorcycling. So I am going to be bringing more stuff to the channel too, outside of motorcycles. You know, whether it's hunting, just property stuff. As you see, I'm in the garage with all the junk. I'm selling some other stuff on Facebook Marketplace, which is an awful, awful place to have to exist. So if anyone else agrees with that, I might make a video on how selling things on Facebook Marketplace is awful. So, rant ending. One last look at the Magna. Thanks, Magna. Maybe we'll see you again one day.